Hi traders, this is Optimus Futures here bringing you a new tutorial. And in this video, we are pleased to announce that TradingView now has tick charts. So the goal of this video today is to show you how to configure tick charts, show you how to access them and what packages of TradingView this is available on, what exchanges this is available for, and we'll give you some brief explanations of tick charts if you aren't familiar with them. Now, like I mentioned, this is only available for certain packages of TradingView at the time of this video. They're available in the professional tier plans, which are the expert, elite, and ultimate packages. So at the time of this video, at least, if you have one of those packages, you can access this feature now. This feature is also currently in beta. So if you're watching this at the time of creation, this was a feature that was in beta at the time of this video launch. But if you stumble upon this later down the line in the future, it's likely that this is already out of beta. They may have made improvements to this feature, and it also may be available in different packages at that time. So please just keep this in mind if you're watching this video. It was created in August of 2024 when this was first released in beta. So now that we've covered that out of the way, let's show you how to actually configure this. It's very simple. It's available in the same section where all other timeframes are configurable on TradingView. Go to the top left of your chart, and right next to the symbol name and the symbol comparison, you'll find your time frame. Right now, I'm on a 1 minute chart. Let's go ahead and access tick charts. They're right above seconds. You can find them in their own section here. And this isn't available on a custom interval either. They only have the 4 options now, which are 1 tick, 10 tick, 100 tick, and 1000 tick charts. As I mentioned, and please keep in mind, this is in beta, so this is likely subject to change in the future, but this is what TradingView initially launched with. And all I need to do to configure a tick chart, if it's available on the exchange I'm trading through, is to simply left-click which tick interval I want. Right now, I just clicked on a 1 tick chart, and as you can see, I now have a 1 tick time frame. Now, please keep in mind that tick charts are typically a lot smaller time frame than your 1 minute. So when you initially load this, you may see it almost like a flat line like I'm displaying here. You may need to expand and contract your chart some to get this to a better view just because it's such a smaller time frame. So you'll likely want to left click and drag on your y-axis column, your price column, to get this into a more viewable shape for you. Just keep in mind that if you're coming from a larger time frame, it'll probably look flattened out like it did for me originally. This is a 1 tick chart. You can view a 10 tick chart right here. You can see it's already looking a little bit bigger since it's technically a larger time frame, or it captures more ticks. We have a 100 tick chart, and we have the 1000 option. Now, if you aren't familiar with it, tick-based intervals encapsulate successive numbers of price ticks rather than fixed blocks of time. So like I started off this video, I was in a 1 minute time frame. So my candles get printed after every 1 minute in real life time that elapses. Every minute on the clock, a new bar is printed. That's how normal traditional time frames work. Tick trades are a little bit different since it's based on the number of ticks rather than time. They provide a more granular view of market changes, which could potentially be helpful for day traders who want to respond to immediate price fluctuations and capture short-term swings. So unlike the time-based charts, which I was mentioning, that's periodically constructed based on a fixed number of block of time, tick charts are created based on the number of successive ticks, irrespective of the elapsed amount of time. So let's say, for example, a 10 tick chart. This, for example, shows a new bar after every 10 ticks, and a recorded tick contains the price, time, and volume information, and each 10 tick bar that shows the opening, high, low, and closing tick prices for each set of 10 ticks. Now, the time elapsed in a tick bar could be 10 minutes, could be a few minutes, a few seconds, an hour, and a day. So just to give you an example, and like I mentioned, it does not matter on the real life time that's elapsed. It is all based on this tick information. A bar in a tick chart closes after it contains the required number of ticks, and a new bar begins when a new tick is available after the latest bar closed. The timestamp provided for each bar represents its starting time, i.e. the number of times it's recorded or its first recorded tick. And please note that tick bars, like other intraday bars, align with the beginning of the trading session, and as such, a new bar on each tick will open for each start of the session, even if the previous bar didn't contain the required number of ticks. Now, TradingView has a whole article based on this that I think would be really good to read through if you are a new user or a new tick chart trader. We can put that in the comment section down below. The description. So we'll go ahead and link to an article from TradingView that describes their tick charts, how they can be used, and what advantages they feel tick charts bring. We'll include that in the description. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. This is a very simple tutorial showing you that tick charts are just now available on TradingView. They're available for CME Group Futures, which is what Optimus Futures provides on TradingView. For the U.S. exchange, list of exchanges. Again, there are a bunch of exchanges that are supported by this, but there are a bunch that do not currently support it. And there are certain time frames that are not available on it right now. Currently, tick charts are available for up to 25,000 historical bars. That is for the expert plan. Elite plan can access up to 30,000 bars, and the ultimate plan can access up to 40,000 bars of historical data. So that's right now in its current state. Again, this is subject to change in the future from TradingView, but if there's any changes, TradingView will make them available in their What's New section. We appreciate you watching this video. Feel free to join our community forum and ask us any questions about TradingView or any other general trading questions you may have related to futures trading, or feel free to reach out to us at support@optimusfutures.com over email if you have any specific question. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you found this helpful.